Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a connection problem on the application of Suno. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Suno. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you